Hey, my name is Peter. If you want to learn how to do this effect on Filmora, just stick around. I'm gonna show you how. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you later.
What's good, guys? This is your boy Peter, and today I'm just gonna be taking you through some few steps that you need to know when creating the annoying orange. Annoying orange is a popular animation, and yeah, it's not that hard to do it. So just look at this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. I always post videos almost every day. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing I did is I recorded a video of myself speaking. The trick about this part is to try and avoid any movement of your head. So I used a book to support my head. After that, I downloaded a picture of an orange and saved the two files in one folder. So the editing software that I'm using is effect-filmora 9. I find effect-filmora 9 easy to use, especially when pulling this effect out. So once you're done, import the two files in your editing software. Drag the video, okay, the face video, the one that you just recorded, on the editing panel, and trim out the unnecessary parts. Then drop the orange picture on top of the video, stretch it out to fit the video length. The next thing you want to do is to reduce the opacity of the orange so that you can see your face behind the orange, To do this, double click on the video, click on the image, then reduce the opacity to around 57. You can play with the opacity until you get the right percentage. So but for this video I just thought that 57 will do good. So as you can see, I can see myself behind the orange. Okay, the reason why I did this is because I want to be able to fit my face, okay, in the orange. So for me to do that, I need to lock the orange picture, okay, so that I can be able to edit my face. Okay, or you can also so that you can be able to edit your face. What you want to do is to fit your face in the orange. Okay, so after that, unlock the picture, go to the effect tab, click and go down to utility, select the image mask and drag and drop it in the orange picture. So once you're done, double click on the orange picture and go straight down to the video effect. Scroll down and select the shape you like. Now for this particular video, I'll choose this oval shape that looks like a star. Okay, we want to mask the eye, so the shape is good for the eye. So click on invert mask and see what will happen. Okay, so you can use the X, Y, width, height and feather to position the mask on your right eye. For the feather, you want to keep it 100. Okay, so click and add another mask for the second eye. Use the same steps you did for the first masking. Click OK. Add another mask for the mouth, but this time I used a different shape. Okay, so I didn't need the shape that I used for the eye is not the same shape that I used for the mouth, because the mouth is kind of shaped in a different way. So you have to look for a shape that really looks like a shape of a mouth. So once you're done, click OK. And then for this step, I want to insert an orange color in between the orange picture and the video. The reason for the orange color is to add more orange color in my eye. As you can see, my eyes are way too black. So once you're done, reduce the opacity of the orange color. And for the blending mode, I chose multiply. You can play around with the blending mode and see which mode fits you better. So once you're done, click OK and double click on the orange video. Increase the opacity again to 100. Click on the face video, go to color and click advance. Set your color to orange. The reason why we're setting the face color to orange is to make it blend well with the orange. Okay, so that's why we are changing our face color to orange. So this one kind of does an magic. Okay, so yeah, click OK. Once you're done, click again on the face video and increase the contrast to 100. Reduce the brightness to -33. And again, this one depends on your video, so you can play around with the brightness of the video and also the contrast. Okay, see what fits you better. Then after that, click OK. You may also want to reduce the size of the mouth and the eyes too. Okay, look at, as I can look at this video, the mouth is way too stretched, the eyes are way too big. So double click on the orange picture, go to the video effect and reduce the size of the mouth. Okay, these are the same steps we used when applying masking. So this step is optional. It depends also on how you're editing. You may want to reduce or you may want to increase the size of your eye or reduce the size of your mouth. So this depends with you. Okay. So after that, now the video is done. Click on export. You may want to save your video on your computer, okay, as MP4 format. You can if you are uploading it on YouTube, okay, you can still do the same thing. So just go to local, MP4, name the video, give it the name that you want, okay. Save it. For this video, I saved it on my desktop, okay, a folder in my desktop. For resolution of my video, I used 1920 to 1080, Okay, frame rate, I increased it to 30 frame per second. Bit rate is 8000 kilobytes per second. That is for the video. So for the audio, I use the encoder AAC. Okay, the channel is stereo, so that means you can hear it on both speakers. Sample rate is 44,100 Hz. Okay, then bit rate is 192 kilobytes per second. As I said, you can still play with the settings, okay, so that it can suit whatever you want. Okay, so after that, just click on export and your video is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have a question, just leave your comments down there. I'm gonna check them out and I'm gonna be back with you again. Okay, so thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and I'm gonna catch up with you on my next video. Until next time, this has been your boy Peter. I'm out. Bye bye.